Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Are you ready to take the test? मुँह बोलना. Yes, exactly. इशारे नहीं करने examiner को, गुस्सा कर जंदी. So, do you enjoy your current stage of life?
I am enjoying a little bit.
I am enjoying is present continuous. My question is, do you enjoy? Present simple. वो सुन रहे हैं कि नहीं? Yeah. Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
I enjoying
My current stage of life?
a little bit because I am in a professional life and I have some responsibilities and I have set my goals and I wanted to achieve.
I want to achieve
I
them.
want to achieve them.
So therefore, I'm not enjoying very much. Right? Like this. Very good. Let's go on. In what stage of your life you were the happiest? I was past tense.
I was when I was a children.
When I was a child, छोटे होंदे दो तीन होंदे सो. Come on. When I was a child, not children.
When I was a child, I was.
I used to be very happy.
It was the happiest life of happiest stage of my life because I have nobody.
I had
No responsibilities and no stressful activities.
Okay.
My parents fulfilled my all the desires.
Okay, this is very good. Keep it up. Okay, let's go on. Which stage of your life do you think is the most important?
I think the current stage of my life, the current stage is most important because I am young and I have the ability to achieve all the goals and I support my family. So the current stage is
very good.
Important.
So you need to maintain eye contact, right? What is your plan for your next stage of life?
My plan for the next stage of life will be I want to go abroad and to complete my educations. I would like to support my family and I want to settle there.
अंग्रेजी तो नहीं ले आनी?
No.
Sure?
No.
All right, just settle there, support my family. All things are going to that, huh? All right, overall your answers are good. Be confident, and for part 1 you just need short answers like that. Okay, good luck.